EVANS recently added the HD DRY to their lineup of tom drumheads. Let's check it out. Hey ArtOfDrumming community, it's once again time to check out a new drumhead. And this time it's the HD DRY of EVANS. Now this isn't really a new drumhead design since the HD DRY for snare drums has been around for quite a while, but now they also offer it as a tom drumhead in all regular tom sizes. Now let's get into what this drumhead is all about. First of all, it's a 2-ply drumhead with a 7.5mm layer and a 5mm layer, so it's a slight bit thinner than regular 2-ply drumheads with two 7mm plies. And if you look at the underside, you also have a dampening ring all along the outside with a 2mm layer. Additional to the dampening ring, we have EVANS dry vent holes. So, as you can tell from the name of the drumhead, HD DRY and the dry vents, it's a pretty dry drumhead. And to give you an idea of what this means, let me just tap the HD DRY and then compare it to a single-ply UV1. What you can really tell is that the UV1, the single-ply drumhead, is a lot more open, has more tone and a longer sustain, even just by tapping it without a drum anywhere close to it. And the HD DRY is very dry. It almost sounds like a kick drum if you just tap it like this. So if you put this one on your toms, you'll have less ringy overtones, less sustain, and a more defined attack. That's also what they tell you. To give you an idea of what that means and what that does to your drums, I just installed them on the toms and just have them slightly like finger tight, just by the top part of the drum key. No real tuning involved. This is just what you get if you just put them on and put them finger tight. Okay, so what you can really tell is that those drumheads work really well in a low kind of muffled scenario without putting any additional muffling on the toms. So if this is the drum sound you're looking for, those drumheads will save you a lot of time. Now, if you compare them to single-ply drumheads, those will give you a more open sound. So if you want to play jazz or want some sustain and some overtones, those drumheads won't do the trick. But if you're in for a modern pop rock drum sound, you usually muffle your toms, those again will save you quite a lot of time. Now to give you a better idea of what those drumheads sound like in different tuning scenarios, I've installed the HD DRYs on this Sonor SQ1 kit and I'll tune them to a low, medium and high range. And for you to get something as a reference, I also did the same thing with single-ply UV1s. So you'll have the openness and just the sound character of a single-ply drumhead compared to the HD DRYs. Okay, so the HD Dries for me work especially well in low to medium tunings. And that's also, I think, where you'd see them the most, in rock and pop contexts. For those playing scenarios, the extended durability of double-ply drumheads also is a really good feature to have. If you compare the HD Dries to single-ply drumheads now, I think the single-ply drumheads are more open, have more tone, more overtones, and I like this in higher tunings. But for pop and rock contexts where I want low, attacky, really defined toms, the HD Dries do the trick and will get you to this tom sound in no time. So what are your thoughts about the HD Dry tom drumheads? Let us know down in the comments. And if you want to know more about the drum kit, the full equipment, cymbals, snare drum, toms, whatever, check out the video description. We have all the information ready there for you. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this one, and I hope to see you next time.